Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a carousel in Figma. So here I set up a very simple example. We have two frames, so you create a frame by going to the left top and creating a frame. Those frames right here inside have some ellipses and they have some other elements. So let's say this is our picture. I've just put in a shape. You can put here whatever you want. It's just an element within a frame. Now, this frame is just, I first made this frame. These down here are our carousel buttons. You can think of them as the arrows that go left or right. And these elements are in the frame. And when they, let's say we want this like that. When we want to do like a carousel effect, we just make another frame. We just copy this frame. And we click on the first frame, and right here on this plus you can connect it and you can drag like a cursor there, and it's gonna give you some options. For the option for frame to frame without the buttons, you can just click on navigate to frame 4, smart animate, and ease out. And you're good to go if you don't want to use the buttons. So just create one frame, the other frame, and you can click on the first frame, go to prototype, and click on flow starting point. So just flow starting point, it's gonna create an option to just preview. And if you just go with the arrows provided by the actual window left and right, you can see that we have a carousel effect. Now, if we want to add the buttons, I just put two ellipses here, and on the actual ellipse, if we go to the prototype section, we have interactions. Now on this interaction, I said on click, go back. So if it's on this frame, it will go back to the previous frame. And then on this button, I said on click, navigate to frame 4, smart animate, the same thing we had before on just the basic frame. So now I'm gonna scroll down to just see the buttons. This one does nothing, because we are at the first frame, and then this one just goes to the next frame, and with this one you can go back. With this one, the one provided with the window, it just resets your animation, but when you have a back button, you can see your animation and your carousel in reverse. So that's the basic functions. You can change out these shapes for pictures, photos, frames. You can make them for all types of sizes, iPhones, desktops, if you're doing web design. So I hope that helps, and good luck.